Despite its relentless energy and reputation, New York wasn't the coolest city to live in 1977.
Of course I was in a gang. Everybody was at that time. But we weren't violent, just violently cool. They call us the icebreakers because of our groovy movements and being able to pick up the babes with our fast talk.
The city faced its truth on the evening of July 13th.
All the icebreakers were there that night. It was me, Ice-T, Ice Cube, Ice Cream, and Vanilla Ice. We were out in the street, and then suddenly, bang!
A major blackout left New York in the dark for 25 hours.
It was chaos, man. Everybody went crazy and started hitting the stores. And we were no saints. So we got into a big department store, and all my friends went for the electronics department. They took speakers, amplifiers, turntables. But you know, at the time, I didn't care about music equipment. I was a flirtatious nigga, and I wanted some fancy clothes to look good with the ladies. So that night, instead of following my friends, I went to the clothes department, stumbling in the dark without even a lighter, and I grabbed some fucking pants from Yves Saint Laurent. Day after, I went to see the gang. They were playing with their new toys, and I wanted to show them my new pants. They were nice and smooth. But there was a problem. They were XXL. They laughed at the time, but I wore them to all our gigs, and I became trendy, man.